A positive attitude helps us grow and glow differently. But getting to a positive state can be tricky. We understand that, especially when you are surrounded by challenges. And that's why short-term positivity doesn't work. Let us help you develop long-term habits for an overall positive experience in the long run. First, watch your inner script. Do you keep blaming yourself for the past, or do you constantly feel like you are not enough? Now that's an inner script problem. Yes, we agree that accepting your mistakes is important, but that doesn't have to spoil your self-relationship. So be aware or try to look at the script that plays inside. And with your understanding, try to add valuable and truthful statements that nourish your self-esteem. For example, I know I didn't sing well last night, but that's okay. We all make mistakes. In fact, I now know where to improve. So see, this completely changes the script and keeps everything truthful. Number 2, plug and play affirmations. Affirmations are statements we repeat to develop a feeling from them. And that feeling can positively impact your present experience. You will find many positive affirmation YouTube videos that you can play on loop. And after some time, the impact becomes visible, depending on how much you get involved internally. Do you want affirmation videos on this channel? If you want so, you can comment yes and we'll try to make one for you. Third, gratitude notebook. Now this is a big one. Every day, spend some time writing about a list of little things you're grateful for. And it only gets impactful when you focus on the feeling of having them, when you genuinely feel happy to have them. And that unlocks the state of abundance for you. Next, the we prayer. As you wake up, do one of the most beautiful things. Close your eyes and pray for we, not me. And this we includes everyone on the planet with you. So, pray for the well-being and growth of all. Genuinely do so. Next, the minimal schedule. Prepare a simple schedule for the day, something that can be done. But try to keep it wholesome, like include health, wealth, and relationship goals. And leave space for more, like learning a hobby, meeting someone, or watching a movie. If you ask me, I do one workout for 12 to 15 minutes and meditate for around 7 to 9 minutes. Do only 2 productive work on a day for wealth, and then spend the rest of the day talking to people, learning something, reading books, or simply having some me time. So again, you can modify things according to your will. Next, chanting a mantra. This is another great habit to calm your mind and feel the positivity flowing. You can go for a mantra that works for you. For me, Om chants work wonders. So spend 5 to 6 minutes on mantra chanting. Next, reading ritual. The reading habit brought me waves of joy and excitement. Be it fiction or non-fiction, pick what excites you. And if you will open a new world of activity for yourself, that will be the best thing for you. 8. Compliment mode. Build the habit of appreciating others in their small or big wins. And that humbles you from within. You will always find moments to compliment others, be it in person or online via comments. And that's adding another layer of positivity to your life. Peaceful bedtime. Let's accept it. Our bedtime may not get as peaceful as we want, but we can try to add a pinch of peace every night by adding habits like reading spiritual books or listening to some calming songs. So think of any habit that excites you less and calms you more, because that's what adds quality to your sleep. Silence and space. You will have moments of being with people, doing stuff, or spending energy on things, but nothing comes close to the healing sensation of inner silence. Just a few seconds of quiet within is like clicking the refresh button. And with this silence comes more space in your head. This space helps clear the inner jam that may be disturbing your inner state. So, try to add silence and space whenever possible. Laughter shows. This one habit can bring amazing relief to your inner state. Your favorite laughter shows, when watched regularly, sets the mood light. So, with frequent laughter and opened up energy, you may feel the release of tension off your head. Dancing like nobody watches. I did this recently when I was on the terrace and my headphones were plugged in. The playlist was serving me well, and suddenly I felt like dancing to the beat for no good reason. Well, I can't say much about the moves, but they surely made me open up from within. So you can try this and see how it fits to your life. A thought journal. Now you can maintain a notebook of your everyday thoughts. That would help you structure your thoughts well. And who knows, you may come up with new ideas of growth and success. 14. Smile for a while. Find genuine moments in your day when you can express your natural state, the state of innermost bliss, and have this habit of smiling more often. Now, at first, things may seem a bit weird, but slowly as you go, the habit stays with you and brings the brightest smiles of your soul. The focus mindset. A positive mind understands the value of focus, and that's how it manages to dodge unwanted distractions. So whatever you do now, try to be fully absorbed in it. Do it with your full power, and that may help you experience the best of your mind. Living here and now. Let's accept it. Past and future do pull our attention a lot of times, but we find the freshness of life only in this moment. And this moment is precious. So, see if you can be more here and now, naturally, without forcing. Next, plan long-term goals. Life makes us do what's needed, agreed. And we get fully into our everyday jobs. But what is it that you truly want? And where has it gone? Don't let your future dreams slip away due to present responsibilities. At least plan your way to your dream goals. And when the moment comes, you can start working on it. The creative picture. Imagination helps you bring the best of your mind's creations to the world. So why not make full use of it? You can think about events or pictures that feel positive and life-lifting. And this seeing, when continued for a while, turns into a feeling. And that's how you squeeze positivity out of your imagination. The helping heart. Think of the many ways you can help people or other beings. Maybe feed the dog or prepare a pot full of water for birds because it's summertime. Or simply help a friend who needs your advice on career. The reasons can be many, but the intention is always one. Help the ones who genuinely need help. Spiritual switch. Now, spiritual talks can reveal so much about ourselves, and that takes us to the part of peace and truth. Hence, it's always worth listening to some of your favorite spiritual podcasts. You may also read books of wisdom and enlightenment. Next, solution perspective. Problems do come and go, but it's the solution mindset that lasts the storm. So try to see a little bit from the solution side every time, and that will surely help you make better decisions. Next, feeding your inner child. Keep the child in you alive, and for that, you can do things that excite you in your me time. Maybe playing with kids, or maybe dancing your heart out at a party. And this pure child side of you helps you realign to your positive vibe. Last but not the least, the subtle balance. We have the art of balance, the balance of letting go and focus. You may feel stuck at something that's not worth your time, that deserves the let go button, and then choosing what's worth concentrating your mind on. To be honest, getting this balance is an ongoing process. Like I said, we do have this balance more or less, and with every attempt to be better, your life takes a positive shift. So that's all, guys. I hope you got value in this audio lecture. Now we have more content waiting for you in the description, and also check out a valuable gift or a product that I find to be sharing with you, and that's also waiting for you in the description. Stay tuned for more value. Let life shine bright. Thank you.